नवतारा नवतारा हे गोंयांतले फामाद आणि लोकप्रिय असे व्हेजिटेरियन रेस्टॉरंट जावन आसा जे थळावे तसेच पर्यटकां मदीं लेगीत बरेच फामाद आसा. नाश्ता जेवण आणि स्नॅक्स ह्या सगळ्या खातीर लोकांची हांगा बरीच गर्दी असता. रुचीक हायजिनीक आणि सामके फ्रेश तयार केल्ले गोवन, साऊथ इंडियन, नॉर्थ इंडियन आणि चायनीज अशा जायत्या प्रकारचे वेज जेवणाचो हांगा आस्वाद घेवंक मेळटा. आणि आपली सर्विस चड लोकां मेरेन पावपाक लागून नवतारा आता आपलो नवो आउटलेट घेवन आयला. हो आउटलेट जावन आसा स्टारको जंक्शन अंजुना हांगासर. तेंच जेवण, तीच चव आता सगळ्यांक अंजुना वाठारांत अणभवपाक मेळटली.
I'm very grateful that all of you all could make it here today and celebrate with us in this moment. You know, it's because of the trust of our esteemed patrons that's what has got us here today. So we are looking forward to serving a new market now in Anjuna, with the same diligence that we always have.
First of all, I'm really honored to be invited. While in service, it was always a trend, calling someone or the other. And when you retire, a police officer is never happy about retirement. So, and the reason is because you, let's say, compared to all the other government service, the police officer is much more pampered because you get too many facilities, even without asking you get. So I was always gearing up before I retire that I will be missing this, I will be missing this and that. So let's be real. And one of the thing was getting invited. So I'm really thankful that you invited me. And you are but yes, it sometimes does surprise me even when today if I go to the secretariat and they ask to the minute they see me, sir, come in this. So I feel okay, at least people still recognize me. But then after you get used to it. And so let me walk back a little bit in the past when I first met, I think I still address him as Judge Tabora. I was a young sub-inspector over there and Judge Tabora was the CJM at that time. And the thing was that, the quality and honesty and integrity that was there with the judges at that time, even with the police officers at that time, was really, there was a certain standard. And I'll give an incident. So I think once there was a stay order issued regarding, the Manus nets. And somehow maybe that person had bribed the deputy collector. So the deputy collector called me and he said, Bosco, see, this is going on, let us attach. And like in those days, there was no videos, there was no viral music. And it was, the police was like Andadun. So we went and we caught the fellow, hammered the fellow and put him inside. And I think it was Advocate Aga, where he went before the CJM and he started saying, see, this is what has happened. And Judge Tawara, and he's typical, he put in this thing, he said, call that officer, who's he? So he said, Bosco George. So I think he says, I think Bosco will not do such a thing. But even then call him. So he called me, seeing me, he called me in the office, says, Bosco, what did you do? I said, Judge, I never saw this order. I was not sure it was just the deputy collector. He says, yes, I knew about it. So it was from that time. And then after, they did come for my wedding also. Oh yeah. So it's very nice to have such a long association. And with Louis, yes, he was senior to me in college and a great table tennis player at that point of time. So with such a long association, it is a nice day to renew it and to wish Aditya, you have done a wonderful year, this thing in the last 7 years. I think this is your first under your watch. So congratulations to you. And then in this society, compassion is missing, which I think Navtara has shown. And I am associated with Donald and street problems. So I have seen for myself, especially during the 2 months expedition, when breakfast was given to all these people. I think God will bless you and you and your family. And wish you still all the best for the new projects that are coming. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.